Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Russian with Victoria. Today you will learn genders in Russian language. Let's get started. All Russian nouns fall into three genders: masculine, feminine and neutral. There are two options how to figure out the gender of the nouns. The first option and the rule: the gender of the nouns, which denote persons, are determined by the sex of the persons they denote. So, for example, papa. In English, the meaning is daddy. So, it's male person, male person. So, it's masculine gender. Because ending a, it's not about masculine gender, it's about feminine gender. The second option: in all other situations, the grammatical gender of other nouns is determined by ending. Now, let's look what endings belong to masculine, feminine, or neutral. Masculine gender. Ending consonant. For example, стол, шкаф, нож, пол, телефон, врач. Ending «й». Китай, музей, чай. Ending soft sign. Gender of the nouns ending in soft sign should be memorized because these nouns ending in soft sign can belong to masculine gender or to feminine gender. So it's impossible to understand the gender of such nouns by their endings. No, you just need to learn these nouns. Basic words ending in soft sign in masculine gender. День, словарь, учитель, преподаватель, дождь, автомобиль, шампунь, ноль. And all months ending in soft sign. For example, апрель, июнь, июль, сентябрь, октябрь, ноябрь, декабрь, январь, февраль. Feminine gender. Ending а. Мама, книга. Ending я. Тетя, буря. Ending и я. Россия, фотография, аудитория. Ending soft sign. And here again this rule that I've already said, that you just need to learn these nouns. Basic nouns ending in soft sign in feminine gender. Ночь, дочь, мышь, соль, тетрадь. Neutral. Ending о. Окно, молоко. Ending е. Море, платье. Ending ие. Упражнение, здание. And some basic exceptions. Кофе. It looks like neutral because of ending «е», but it is masculine gender. Имя, время looks like feminine gender because of ending «я», but it is neutral. Okay, guys, I hope you understand these rules, and let's sum up. So, masculine gender ending consonant, ending «й», ending soft sign. Feminine gender ending а, ending я, ending ия, ending soft sign. Neutral ending о, ending е, ending ие. Okay, guys, now I will show you some nouns, and you need to figure out the gender of these nouns according to the rules I've just said. Кошка. Ending а, so it is feminine gender. Пиво, ending O, so it is neutral. Stol, ending L. L is consonant, so it is masculine gender. Город, ending D. It's again consonant and it's again masculine gender. Familia, ending ия, so it is feminine gender. Тетрадь, ending soft sign, so it can be masculine gender or feminine gender. So you just need to remember, тетрадь, it's feminine gender. Словарь, again soft sign here. And you again need to remember that словарь это masculine gender. Okay guys, that's it for today's lesson. I hope it was useful. And I'm really happy that I am back again here, and I hope that you also happy that I am back. So, see you next lesson. Пока-пока.